Everyone, this is David. I'm a footwear design consultant for Gravity Sketch, and today I'm going to show y'all how to interact with and change your environmental lighting settings on screen here in Gravity Sketch. To illustrate these capabilities, what you see in front of you is this wonderful footwear design concept by Red Smith that is available to everyone in the community designs. And so to access the environmental settings in Gravity Sketch on screen, all you have to do is navigate to the upper right hand portion of this toolbar up top. What you'll notice in these environment settings is if you've ever interacted with the environment settings panel in VR in Gravity Sketch, all these options should be quite familiar to you as they are identical. First, up top, you have your ability to scroll through and select various options of default environments. Right now, we are currently in the gray room. And in the background, you're able to change things like your background color. In the reflections and lighting, you're able to change how intense your light is or how bright your scene is. You're able to add sketch shadows, which will simply allow objects in your scene to cast shadows on one another. And also cast shadows onto the floor. You could also adjust the directionality of your lighting here as well. I find that the gray room gives you a really nice sort of general all-purpose light setup. But if you wanted something a little bit more dramatic, feel free to experiment through the different default sort of environments, including the zebra, which will give you a sort of a punchier kind of difference between your highlights and shadows.